everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Partners in Cream. This is, I believe, year number 3 for this project, and I've done all 3 years. This started on January 10th, we'll go to December 10th. It is created by Steph and Delyn. They're going to be listed down below. Delyn, I believe, is still on a little hiatus because she had a beautiful baby girl, and you know, she's doing a mom life now. I think it's awesome. It is so awesome. So definitely go check them out. There's going to be a list down below of everyone that has joined in. This is all about non-powder products. I believe the first year it was specified like liquid, cream, gel kind of makeup products, but last year it wasn't specified as makeup, so I know some people are doing some other things that are you know, beauty related, which is all good. I like to keep mine makeup just because that was the original intent. So I've got 5 products that I'm working on this year, and my goal is to finish everything to completion, and we're going to see how it goes. I don't have any empties yet. I am not going to be doing any usage products this year. I'm just going to, you know, plug away at what I've got, try to get it used up, and see how she goes. All right, the first one. This is the Bobbi Brown Cream Shadow Stick in the color Shore. I'm going to show you what I have left, and then I'll show you my progress line. This is how much I have left. It is a very lovely product. I enjoy it quite a lot. I did get this in PR last year, and I really like it. I can use it as an eyeshadow. I can use it as a base. It is very easy to multitask, and yeah. Unfortunately, it is not in my makeup basket for March, so it's not going to get a ton of progress. I was at the red, now I'm down here. I'm hoping to put this back in my basket for April. It was in my viewer's choice poll. It did not get chosen, so it is not in the basket this month. It's okay. It is okay because I'm working on some other things. I do have 2 other things in this project that are in my March basket, so hopefully I will have some massive progress to show you next time. All right, the next one I do have on my lips right now. It is in my makeup basket. This is the Bite Amuse Bouche, if I'm saying that correctly, in Maple. I really like this one a whole lot. It is kind of like a brick red. It's just that little guy. And I have used it a few times, but I have not made major progress. It was not in my February basket, but like I said, it is in March's makeup basket. And yeah, I'm still right at that red line. I know it's crooked. I'm at the bottom of the red line as opposed to the top, but hopefully I will be able to make a new line for the next update. That is the goal. I want to make some good progress on that one. Let's see. Next one is the Urban Decay 24/7 Velvet Glide On Liner Pencil in Black Velvet. And I always get that song stuck in my head every time I look at this pencil. This is in my makeup basket for this month. That is how much is left of it. And I will show you on the paper. Yes, it is this one. I started way up here. I was here last time, and now I'm down there. I'm getting very, very consistent usage on this. So hopefully we'll just keep chipping away at it. And if that's the case, then 3 to 4 months, I think this one is going to be gone. It's very easy to use. It's a basic black liner. I don't generally use this one in my waterline. I use it on my lids, and then I use a different one in my waterline. I don't know why, but this one just doesn't stay put for me. I don't know if it's supposed to be waterproof or not. It's been sharpened down to the point where I can't even tell, but I know it does not stay in my waterline, so I don't play that game anymore. The next one is Mally's Look High Shine Lip Gloss from Mally. I did not use this at all. It was not in my makeup basket for February, and even though it was in the viewer's choice poll, it did not win for this month. So I am still at this second red line because it's going to be moving up. Again, hopefully it will make it into the April basket, and if it does, I think it'll get done in April, but we'll have to wait and see if it makes it into the April basket. Pardon me. And last but certainly not least, another one that was in a poll but did not get voted on or did not get chosen, pardon me, the e.l.f. Smudge Pot in Cruisin' Chic. I have used it a few times, but nothing major. It was weighed in at 23 grams. It's still sitting there because It's only gotten a handful of uses, and you can't make a ton of progress with just a handful of uses. So those are my 5 products. I don't think I'm going to have any empties by the next update, but I do think that I will have some really good use on the Urban Decay eyeliner and the Bite Beauty maple lipstick, whatever thingy, this stuff that's on my lips right now. So hopefully March will be a very good makeup basket month, and I will get some good usage on those 2. The other 3, they're in a holding pattern for right now, but that's okay. Definitely go check out Steph and Delynn. Like I said, they're going to be listed down below as the creators, as well as everyone else that has joined into this project. If you want to join in, by all means, you know, it is open to everyone. Just let Steph or someone know that you are joining so that she can get you added. Unless she has a sign-up sheet, which I don't remember. If there is, it'll be down there with all the other pertinent information. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.